this tutorial, I want to show you how to protect cell formatting but only allow data entry with Kutools for Excel. You can easily unlock selected cells and protect worksheet with the worksheet design utility of Kutools for Excel. Click the Kutools Plus tab in the Workbooks and Sheets group. Click the worksheet design. Select the cells you need to protect their formatting but only allow data entry. Uh, Under the Protect group, click the Unlock Cells option and then click the OK button in the popping up Kutools for Excel dialog box. Next, click the Protect Sheet button under the Design tab. And then specify a password. I will type 123. Click the OK button and in the Confirm Password dialog box, I will re-enter my password 123. Click the OK button. And now the worksheet is protected and the specified cells are allowed data entry only. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.